Hello everyone, I'm Hamim from USLINSKY. When your AC unit acts up, the whole home suffers. Without a disconnect switch, you are forced to cut the main power, face costly repair, a total blackout, and safety hazard. Tired of trouble? USLINSKY AC disconnect. Install it once, solve it for good. This is our 60 AMP non-fused AC disconnect. NEMA 3R rated, fully waterproof for home and small business use. AC units, heat pumps, pool pumps, and electric water heaters. Any equipment that service needs a disconnect. Let me show you what makes this box special. First, the enclosure. We have metal and non-metal option, both NEMA 3R rated. Rain, snow, sleet, no problem. It is strong and built for all weather. Notice this strong protective shield. It comes off in seconds. Easy access to the wiring. This front cover is quick and easy to remove. Copper lungs, good conductivity, large wiring space, saves you time. Safety is easy too. The door can be locked with a padlock. Stop unwanted use. This is the real safety device. Specification: ACDM-30/60 model, 60 MPS, 240 volt, single phase, work for 30/60 MP. Use waterproof, non-fused, NEMA 3R outdoor enclosure. Easy to install, no guesswork. No conclusion, no callbacks. Now you can see how easy it is to install. Step 1. Remove the shield. Step 2. Strip the wire. Step 3. Connect the wires. Tighten correctly. Step 4. Put the shield back. Close the door. Lock if needed. You're not just buying a box. You're getting reliability, safety, and peace of mind. That's what Linsky provides. Correct installation keeps your equipment safe, stable for years. At Linsky, we promise safety and reliability. Thank you for watching this video. Contact us for more information.